Well, a few moments ago, I got an email from a nice lady. All right. She's been emailing me back and forth over the last, I'd say about 12 months. Okay. And she joined an opportunity online and she thought it was kind of confusing. It wasn't too pricey. I think she said it was about $100 and she's not really having any results. Okay. And she asked me about Live Good. Okay. Again, all right. How's it going? Is it a fad? Is it going left, right, up, down? Is it good, bad, or ugly? Okay. Right now, I got 2 years in as an affiliate and a member. I joined about March of 2023. No experience with online marketing other than I know how to place, I guess, interesting things that are either good, bad, or funny or horrible or whatever on social media. Okay. I'm comfortable turning a webcam on and just talking to you guys in a $5 shirt and toys hanging from a wall. Okay. So I can tell you this about Live Good. All right. It's not by accident that we're doing over 15 million or more in sales each month. And most of those sales, I mean wholesale, not retail. Retail, go ahead and take that 15 million and times it by 10 or 20 or 30 or 50. Okay. Wholesale means if it costs, let's say our company $10 to make a product, we're probably selling it for about 12. Just add a couple bucks to it so it covers our shipping, handling, and the labor it takes. All right. We're not a retail company. That's what your position is if you want. You can buy our products and sell them on Amazon, out the back of your trunk, from your home, on social media, whatever source you would like to buy a product. Let's say on my fridge, you can see super red, super greens. Let's see, I got amino acid punch, the orgasmic coffee. Let's say the super reds is $14. Okay, which it is. If I want to sell it for 20 or 30 bucks and put an extra anywhere from 1 to 2, maybe an extra $500 in my pocket each month just by selling it. Okay, just being Mr. Retail Draper. Okay, great. I don't really have time to do that, and I don't mind selling things as long as I believe in the product and it makes a difference, and especially if it makes friends or family feel better. But right now, I have a lot of other things I do. I'm not looking to retire. I have to be busy. With my ADDD and my personality, I have to have things going on every day. Me bored? Oh boy, that's a bad thing. Okay. Now, I don't mind buying those products on my mini fridge and like I said, maybe making an extra couple $100 a month, but I enjoy just paying $40 one time and being an affiliate. Okay. So if you're just looking into Live Good, yeah, we're a company that sells the best products, in my opinion. The reason why I think so is because our ingredients are the most expensive to make. But we're 30 to 70% less than everybody because we focus on wholesale. Most people that join my group, and I say 99%, they are affiliates. They pay $40 and then they pay $9.95 a month. Okay? Because you have to be a member at that $10 a month to, number one, enjoy our products wholesale. Okay. And the $40 one time, guys, I'm not kidding. It's not recurring every year, every month, every week. There's no, and there's more with Live Good. You have $49.95, guys. You got your first month paid to be a member and an affiliate because you're going to get those two $20 bills together and invest them in yourself. And I'm going to do whatever I can to help you get a couple people signed up because I want your money back instantly. I want it back like tomorrow. You join me today, I want your money back tomorrow. That way you're in the profit zone fast. Okay? Now, if you like to buy our products, let's say you spend, $100 a month on our products. Let's get you earning some money. That way the products in your mind are free because that's how I became into the Live Good thing, into this world. I did not join Live Good as a member to be an affiliate. I did not care 2 years ago. I'm very busy. I make very good money doing other things. But all of a sudden I started doing YouTube videos and they're fun. And then I post on social media and then I hand out business cards when I can. All right. I bought these at Vistaprint for like $23. I got tons of these. I'll never give out all the business cards I have, but on a street level, if people bring up Live Good, I just go to joincory.com. Well, Cory, where do you get joincory.com from? GoDaddy, it was $11. And then it forwards to a page that's already produced and offered to you when you are a member and an affiliate. For that $49.95, guys, you're going to have your own page where you can have people go and watch a video. Let the video do the recruiting, all the training, all the product information. If people have questions about LiveGood, they can go to support@livegood.com. You have any questions whatsoever about our products, go right to the source, Lisa@livegood.com. Her and her husband design these products. Our CEO is not some guy eating tacos like I am. If I was the CEO of LiveGood, it's pretty bad because usually I have a taco in my hand talking about nutrition. But our CEO, he's a maniac. He bikes and hikes and surfs and very successful guy. Okay? I love that our CEO is a health maniac. He practices what he preaches. All right? We have 4 people that operate and own. I don't know how the ownership is, but our CEO is Ben Glinsky. I like that he is a guy that you can just tell he gives a darn about every single thing that goes in our products. Now, Ryan, Dr. Ryan, he's the one that gets our products designed with his wife, Lisa. He gets with Ben, and they do everything they can to make sure that it is the best product. And I just know it. If you have 2 years in like I do, you feel it, you know it. I don't have to bullcrap anyone, guys. I don't have to fake to make it. Nobody gives me $100 so I can kiss someone's ass and say LiveGood is the best products. They just are. I firmly believe it. I can buy and I can afford to buy any product on this planet from Amazon or CNG or, I mean, God, you name the most dynamic, awesomest products on the planet. I can afford at this point in my life to buy them. All right, I'm almost 60 years old. And I do give a damn about what I do munch because I like the tacos. I like breakfast cereal. I do, like tonight is Friday as I produce this video. I'm going to go to a place that has barbecue, chicken, all right, and ribs. Okay? I'm a normal guy that I don't really overeat, but I know that I'm going to have things that have sugar and calories and carbs and all these crazy things that can really make the latter years. And I'm the first to admit it, guys. I'm born in the 60s. And right now it is March of 2025. Time hauls ass. All right? I recommend don't be wasting time on anything. Watch your TV usage. If you're going to watch it, make sure you like what you're watching. Okay? And if you're going to join an online business, I recommend joining a business that works and has a darn good track record, great ownership, and has momentum. No one signs up. And this is in my opinion, but the reason I have this opinion is because I just go online and I see what is the most successful online business that signs up people as affiliates. It's LiveGood. It happened in 2023, number 1. 2024, easy. We're 3 months in, March of 2025. I don't know any other opportunity that worldwide is going to sign up more members and affiliates that want to earn money. And I like it because our products, they're designed to kick butt. 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We do not sell winter coats in the summer or boats in the winter. All right? Our products sell every day worldwide. We have over 200 countries that are just enjoying our products. We ship DHL International worldwide out of Jupiter, Florida. But right now we have distribution centers going up, of course, in the UK, Europe. We got to definitely go over to Asia. Just China alone is like a planet. So many people over there, right? We're in Africa, all right? Above me, Canada, down below Mexico. All right, guys, this is a success story that comes along, I don't know, 1 in 10 years, 1 in 20 years, okay? We've signed up almost 2 million people in a little over 2 years. That's crazy. Most people are going to enjoy the products. You want to be a maniac like me that just does a video like this, or maybe posts on social media about LiveGood, maybe hand out a business card? That's all I do. I invite people to watch a movie. A video, not even a movie. I guess a video. It's 5 minutes and 55 seconds to be exact. This is what I do. I've signed up well over 400 people just personally. Okay? So I've gotten pretty good at this by making things just simple. I make a video like this and I invite you guys to simply go here. I bought joincory.com for $11 at GoDaddy. There's my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. Okay? Then when you go to joincory.com, guess what? You go to this page here. You're going to say hi to this handsome guy, and you're going to watch this YouTube video. You're going to put your name and email here. Click this orange button if you'd like. More information. You can opt out. They're just emails every day that'll come that train you, educate you, tells you about LiveGood. And if you want to join, then obviously the email that you get, you can go ahead and join from the email, get your a name, a password. We take cryptocurrency, and all the products are right there on the website, how to use them. We have competition, what their ingredients are, how much they are. No one beats our prices because we're a wholesale-based company. We do not commission the products. We do not jack up something that's $10 to $100 so that the commissions go to the owners and your upline to buy Lamborghinis. Okay, if our products cost $10 to make, we probably sell them for about 12. We add only a couple dollars to handle the shipping and the labor it takes to have our 3 warehouses now in Jupiter, Florida, operate so that when the post office comes or DHL International, guys, we have a ton of products going out. Okay, that's just out of Jupiter, Florida. Okay, if you just like the products, awesome. You can buy our products without being a member. You can just go to walmart.com, GNC, or livegood.com and buy. But if you want to save money and buy the products each month, you're going to want to be a member for $9.95 a month because you're probably going to save 30 to 40 bucks. That's what I did just by buying some products on my mini fridge here. Would you spend 10 bucks a month to save 40? That's what I did. I went a couple months and I said, what the hell? It's 40 bucks. I might as well be an affiliate. Who knew I'd be top 30 in the company as far as signing people up out of 2 million? Not me. I'm into Harley Davidsons, the band Kiss. I love hanging out at a pool, working on my tan. Harley Davidsons, car shows, rock and roll. All right. I am not some guru. I just try to have as much fun as I can so that when I make videos like this, guys, this is not heavy lifting. This is fun for me. I feel like I am in your living room, or maybe we're on your patio watching the sunset, having a nice cold drink, talking a little bit about Live Good. But you know what? Online, it's not that I waste time talking about Live Good one by one, because that would eat up all my day. It's easier for me to make a little video like this and invite you guys to joincory.com, because then that video, all right, let me just show you again. See that video right there in the middle? It's a YouTube video. It's our CEO talking for 5 minutes and 55 seconds about the opportunity. And you can watch for like 10, 20, 30 seconds and just say it's not for me. If you watch the whole thing, you're probably going to, at least if you don't join, you're probably going to sit on the fence for a couple weeks, maybe a week, maybe 2, 3 months. I've had people watch that video, put their name and email address in. They will join me as an affiliate 4 or 5 months later, and it's mind-blowing. But they're like, you know what? I keep seeing you making videos and reading reports and seeing the ingredients and new products every month. We just released another product this morning. Okay? I'm in no rush. Okay? I'm not dying and desperate for you to sign up. I want you to relax. Besides, we're only talking $49.95 here. We're not maxing out your credit card. If you join for $49.95, guys, 40 of those little dollars are you to be an affiliate for life, and that is it. 40 for life. There's no more. Not every year, not every month. Okay? Then you're going to spend $9.95 a month. You got a $10 bill, we'll give you 5 cents back. That's all you got to spend to be a current active affiliate. So buy our products wholesale if you'd like and resell them, or just use them. And if you want to be an affiliate, if you don't mind doing a video like this, great. If you want to just post about the opportunity, I'll help you out. I'm going to send you an email exactly what I do, and I keep it simple. All right. I think you can tell if you've watched my video for this many minutes. All right. 10 plus 3. I'm about 14 minutes by the time I'm done. I think you can tell that less is more, and just being yourself. Don't fake it to make it. Just invite people to watch that little video. I decided to buy joincory.com. If your name's Bob, joinbob.com, joinbobnow.com. Work with Bob. If it's taken, let's say your name's Bob Thomas. Workwithbobthomas.com. Do whatever you'd like. Or you can just, throw up your link that you automatically get. You get that capture page. Okay? Everything for $49.95. Guys, you got the website, customer service, credit card processing. We take cryptocurrency. Okay? Everything is done. Shipping, handling, returns, any bitching and moaning. It's all taken care of. I just hope that you do what I do, and that's just kind of make it fun. Be yourself and go, guys, go to joincory.com. Go to you.com. Done. I don't know what else to do. Okay. I guess I could try to act like a scientist and come up with all these formulas and put maybe some fancy things in back to make it look like, man, I'm just slave to the grind. But I invite people to watch a short little movie made by Live Good, and I'm done. Okay, so high five to that. All right, guys, I'll let you get. Thanks for your time. All right, 15 minutes, boy, it sure goes by fast. But subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not shy. If you need to email me, go to Cory@CoryDraper.com. You can find me on Facebook too. Just inbox me there. And that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and rock and roll. Okay. Have a good weekend if you're watching me live. It's a Friday as I produce this video. And that's it. joincory.com. Okay. I'm done. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon.